Welcome to Between Towns Court, where living is easy and learning is fun. Nestled in the heart of the historic city of Oxford, this place is your gateway to everything magnificent in Britain. Whether you're a fan of cozy studios or spacious en-suite rooms, each room is well equipped with everything you need, including comfy beds, spacious wardrobes, study areas, and sparkling clean bathrooms to end your day with a nice warm shower. Plus, you'll also have access to a range of communal facilities that are equally impressive, including a games area, TV lounge, study area, and a beautiful courtyard where you can unwind after a long day of studying. Between Towns Court has everything on your doorstep, right from the gym, supermarket, to takeaway restaurants and pub, all within 5 minutes walk. And with the University of Oxford and Oxford Brookes University's Wheatley and Headington campuses just a bus journey away, you'll never have to worry about getting to class on time. Get ready to experience a hassle-free life at Between Towns Court. Head over at amberstudent.com and book your space today.